So, you've got an Apple gift card and your eyes are set on a brand new pair of AirPods. Let's make that happen. First, decide if you want to shop online or visit an Apple store in person for online purchases. Head to Apple.com. At the top of the page, find the shop menu and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with ways to shop. Look for AirPods within the shop categories and give it a click. This will take you to the AirPods product page. Select your desired AirPods model, such as AirPods Pro, AirPods 3rd generation, or AirPods Max. Browse the available options and choose the one you like best. Add the AirPods to your cart and proceed to checkout. At the payment method selection, choose Apple Gift Card. Scratch off the label on the back of your physical gift card to reveal the redemption code. If it's a digital gift card, find the code in the email you received. Enter the gift card code and any PIN if required. The amount on your gift card will be applied to your purchase. If the total cost exceeds your gift card balance, you'll need to use another payment method, like a credit or debit card, to cover the remaining amount. Prefer shopping in person? Simply visit your local Apple store, select your AirPods, and present your gift card at the checkout. An Apple specialist will assist you with redeeming it. Enjoy your new AirPods.